Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm making chicken wing stew. If you're stopping by for the very first time, welcome to our family. I washed the chicken and seasoned it with vegeta, black pepper, coriander powder, paprika, cumin powder, garlic powder, mixed herbs, onion powder and olive oil before marinating it overnight. All details are listed in the description down below. To cook the stew, I start by heating some oil, then add the marinated wings. I sear these for 5 to 6 minutes or until the air is filled with the aroma of the fragrant spices. This time allows the chicken to absorb all these flavors and gives the stew a rich flavor profile. At this point, I add the grated onions, capsicums and tomato paste. For how I prep and freeze capsicums, check out the video linked above. I add a little water into the bowl with the marinade to release the contents that were left. I add this to the pot and mix to combine. Then I let it simmer on low for 15 to 20 minutes. I adjust salt to taste, add garlic and allow it to simmer for 5 more minutes. Once this time is done, the chicken is now ready to serve. We had it with rice, however, it can also be paired with dinner rolls, kisra, injera or chapati. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, comment down below and share it with your friends and family. And if this is the kind of content you'd like to follow, subscribe and tap the notification bell to be alerted every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next one.